Been with McMurry for 13 years. I came over here and was the director of fitness and wellness center. So I did all the intramurals, wellness center, things like that. I was able to get hired on here, been over here about 5 years now. I think we were at a standstill. There was not a whole lot of construction going on versus what it is now. I think since I've been here, we've torn down probably 6 houses. As we continue buying property around the neighborhood. Construction side, we're really at a high level from where we were 5 years ago.
So once I got here, my first year, I kind of just hung out in my room. But second semester, going on to sophomore year, I hung out in the campus center. That was my place to hang out. I could go in there if I didn't want to sit in my room. I would work on homework. I'd get food from the grill. So that was my place to go and kind of hang out and relax for my day. Or if I didn't want to study in my room, I knew I could study in the campus center.
We had Credo, which is an architectural firm that deals with higher education, come in and did the master plan. This is the focal point of this campus. This is probably one of the first few things that students see or visiting students see when they come in, and we need to be able to have that hook of being able to grasp them in something that was really outstanding. There were a lot of planning meetings with not just me and the architect, but there was a lot of different groups on campus. First 3 months was nothing but demolition. I mean, we had a lot of brick and mortar go out of the building that, basically taking it down to the frame. So the last 3 weeks, we've got a lot of framing going up, so I can start to visualize, hey, this is where the wellness center is, this is where the chapel is, this is where the maybe room, and it's really starting to take shape and stuff now, so that's exciting. Back in June, we took over Hunt & Martin, leased out to a private company for 20 years. We bought that lease out, and now we're doing all the maintenance, so we're doing all the management of it. We may have lost touch with some of the students over there because we really didn't know what was going on. We're happy but that's back with McMurry. Plus the new apartments going in. It'll be 94 beds. That'll be just west of the current apartments. Again, there's a lot of construction going on, a lot of it to benefit the students and stuff, and that's, like I say, that's what we're here for, to benefit the students.
I still go in the dorms about almost every couple days of the week just because I do give tours within them. And I have seen the change just by walking into them after McMurray's taken them over. It's nice that McMurray has changed drastically since when I first got here, especially with me coming in peak of COVID. There was really nothing happening on campus. Masks were a huge thing. And having that changed over to, we've gotten 2 statues since I've been here. The campus center is being redone. We are redoing the dorms. We're even adding another apartment. All of these changes have drastically changed the way I see McMurray. I'm very proud to say that I am going to graduate from McMurray just because of all the things that they're doing for their students, not to make McMurray look better, but so their students can have a better education and better life here on campus.
The students, like I say, we're here for them. If it wasn't for them, we wouldn't have a job. We're insured by the parents that we're keeping their kids safe, that they have good running water, their toilets flushes, their showers work when they're here at campus and stuff. So we're trying to ensure that the parents, that their students are taken care of here, and that's important. That's kind of a standard that we set. We want to make sure that when something comes in, that we're taking care of it as quick as we can.